Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Backup Jenkins regularly to protect job definitions, build history, user data, and plugins. Identify path and backup strategy before making copies or snapshots. Use consistent permissions and ownership when accessing Jenkins files to avoid startup errors. Consider file system snapshots or tar archives for atomic copies during low activity periods. Plan backups at least every 24 hours and keep multiple versions for rollback. Document retention policy and storage location, including off-site or cloud storage with encryption at rest and in transit. Put Jenkins in quiet mode and stop service to prevent file changes during backup. Use systemtl stop Jenkins or Docker stop to halt the instance cleanly before copying files. Copy the entire directory, including jobs, plugins, secrets, and users, preserving permissions and timestamps. Create a compressed archive and compute a checksum for integrity verification. Verify archive size and checksum and store backup offsite or in cloud. Rotate backups and prune older archives according to your retention policy to save storage. Stop Jenkins, restore files, and preserve file permissions and ownership. Remove or rename any current contents before extracting the backup archive. Restore plugins, job folders, credentials, and configuration files in the original layout. Start Jenkins and monitor logs for plugin compatibility errors and migration prompts. If running in Docker, ensure volumes map to the restored directory and restart the container. Validate jobs, credentials, and web UI on port 8080 after restore completes, and run a few test builds to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.